last piece of this is the authorized signature and date. So it must be signed and dated by the certifier. And really what this is about is, if every time we've given this presentation or something like this, back when it was NAFTA, and we walked people through how do you complete the form, because with the old NAFTA, you might have everything right, but you completed the form wrong, and then your item wouldn't qualify, or you have some issues at the border. So I think not having a form is very valuable in this instance. But one of the things that didn't change is what you're certifying. And it's that you're certifying the goods described in this document qualify as originating, right? That gets back to that question of, do we put any other country of origin items on here? No. And the information contained is true and accurate. It says, I assume responsibility for providing such representations and agree to maintain and present upon request or to make available during a visit some kind of documentation to support the claim. So make sure, another question that we get often is, who can sign it? Who should we accept sign it? What we always look for is, do we think that the person signing it understands what they're signing and has the requisite knowledge to make said agreement? We've seen it a lot where you'll see something like assistant sign their certificates because maybe someone put a bunch through and someone just sat down and signed a bunch of them. Well, do you think that person knows what they're signing and understands the custom side of what this looks like? So we always look for someone. It doesn't necessarily have to be, there is no necessary requirement there, but it's certainly something that we always advise our clients to look for, to make sure that we agree that, okay, this person probably really does understand what they're signing.